I just trying to make sure y'all see me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal Kelley. If you didn't know who I was, now you know who I am. Today I was thinking about just getting cleaned up, you know, just today's one of those self-care days. It's actually technically it is Sunday, so it is self-care Sunday for me. Shani needs to shave her legs, shave her back, wash my face because it's a little dry. I've been breaking out a little bit. I've been stressed, and plus I just break out normally, so it is what it is there. But you can clearly see I got some problematic skin. It's been some time coming and it usually just don't go away, but I need to get it a little bit together. I need to do something about it. So that's what I'm trying to do today, okay? Yeah, today, like I said, I just want to do a little bit of self-care. I just want to take you guys with me. I love watching videos like this, so I was hoping you would too. I did also want to do like a quick little small bedroom, you know, little preview and stuff like that. I just, you know, reorganized some things, did some things, and I just feel like, just a quick disclaimer, you know, I know y'all probably came for a little self-care, but I'm going to tell y'all, you can make any size bedroom work. If you have a big bedroom, a small bedroom, make it comfortable for you. There's secrets, keys. I'll make another video about that soon, but I just want to kind of give you guys like a little overlook so you guys can kind of, you know, see what you guys can do, maybe get some ideas, do something to your room. Don't use the size room as an excuse for why you can't live the life you want to live, period. So let me just kind of give you a little quick overview. So we got the little you know, little setup here, you know, got the little new one, but you know, we doing all right. You know, got my little notebook because I was just like kind of, you know, writing down my plans. I kind of use a notebook as a planner. See, that was the banging I was talking about, so just ignore that. But you know, you come over here, you know, I got a little, you know, got the TV set up right there, got my lamp. Sometimes I move my lamp from here to here, kind of move stuff around, so bear with me. Other than that, I have the computer set up right here, little chair. This is a little unorganized. I kind of have a little OCD, so I'm gonna have to hang that up. But yeah, you know, we got the little setup. Got a bookshelf. I put my perfumes up at the top and put some Bath and Body Works stuff right there. Some hygiene stuff. I'm sorry for this banging. It's just so idiotic. So idiotic. So idiotic. But it'll stop eventually, so just bear with me there. But yeah, I got the little wax warmer. You know, my little jewelry box. Got some stuff here. And you know, put my little stuff down there. Got the whole setup. Got the bedding. You know, little Christmas lights. Got my Christmas lights hanging up on the bookshelf. When it's dark, it kind of looks like this. I think it looks a little bit better. But yeah, when it's dark, it kind of looks like that. To me, I love that. It's a nice setup. And then it looks like that on the bed. And then we can go over here. And yeah, it looks like that. Got the little lights. They dwindle all the way down. Did I say dwindle or twinkle? I don't even know if that's even a term, but we're just gonna go ahead and show you that. But yeah, we just got the little setup. That's me over there. And yeah, we got the whole little thing going down. So I hope you guys like this. Maybe I could make a video on like certain things you guys can do, or showing how I reorganize my room. I just want to let you guys know you can have any size room, you know, whatever size room you have, you got to make it work. So if the room was smaller than this, honestly, I would have to do down to a twin size bed and I would still do the same setup. And guess what? I have more walk room. Walk room is very important to me. I like to be able to maneuver. And if I want to like be more on that side, I can slide the bed this way. Guess what? I have space over there. If I want to slide the bed that way, space over here. Some people don't feel like doing that and they feel like they gotta have all the space in the world, or they can't have the things they want. You gotta make it work. You got to make it work. You. I know the light's off now. My stomach hurts. I just got finished eating beefaroni. Like I said, I'm sorry for that banging. But yeah, I'm about to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna try to make this a little calm, cool video, you know, a little quick self-care. If you guys do like videos like this, make sure to let me know down in the comments down below, and let's get this video started.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa.
I just got out the shower and that was very much refreshing. You ever get one of those showers that you're like, I needed that? Yeah. I'm licking my face like this because my mouth is dry. Like, it's really dry. Like, really dry. So we gotta get straight to the hygiene stuff. Usually, like, I would use, like, this Olay Total Effects 7-in-1. I used to have, like, the little jar, but the little jar I kind of lost. No, I used it all. That's what happened. But then I accidentally picked up this. And this has SPF in it, which is what we need. But I don't like it. I just don't. Like, my personal opinion, it left my face looking real ashy and suspicious. Oh yeah, I was about to say, did I give it to you?
Yeah.
I want to make sure you found it?
Yeah, it was in my room.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I put it in there. Yeah, I was like, Cece didn't even grab this before she left.
Yeah.
Nice, so pretty. Yeah, no, like, this isn't it. At least not for me. You can try it for y'all. I break out easily, and this was just helping it. Like, it felt really oily and musty, but at the same time, it left my face ashy, and I wasn't feeling that. So, you know, we ain't gonna do this. Honestly, I need to throw this thing away, but this was really expensive, so, like, I'm gonna just hold off. I'm gonna wait. Maybe, like, on a hot day, I'll try to put it on and see what it does. It's cold out right now, and I'm ashy, so we're just gonna put some Lubriderm, just a little bit of that. Oh. Trying to keep this thing nice and neat, because you know my OCD be kicking. We just go ahead and rub that in. Y'all ever have a super dry face, and as soon as you put moisturizer on it do what it need to do? It's like hot as mess. Like, I need the fan on high. If you hear it in the background, I'm sorry, but I need it on a high. So the Bath and Body Works bottle that I used for the shower was called Moonlight something. So I need to get the matching lotion, which is probably in the back. I know I don't have that body cream, so I have the lotion, but I have to find it. Or do I have it in that now? I think it's over here. And then I have to get the matching body spray. So, oh, lucky me, I found it immediately. I'm gonna put her in the front. Hopefully I'm showing no titties. Up, and then where's the Moonlight spray? Trying to look for it without moving too much stuff. That's the spray version, and this is definitely the lotion. What I like to do is add some of this. Okay, usually I would want the Vaseline version, but I can't find that anywhere I go. It's probably at CVS, but I don't feel like looking for it. So usually I just use the Equate Body Oil Gel, Cocoa Divine, aka Cocoa Butter Scent. But I just kind of mixed that with my lotion because the lotion don't be moisturizing. I think we all knew that, but Yeah, I don't just use this. I would never just use this. I gotta make sure my skin is glistening, so I go ahead and use me some body oil too. But I go with my little deodorant. Going with the deodorant. I like the Secret deodorant because it actually smells strong, where some of them don't be doing the job. Like, if you guys know some strong deodorants, please recommend them in the comments. I know we all trying to do aluminum free, but them don't be working for me. I need strong. The big belly. Oh God. Anyway, but now we do need to pick out some clothes because it's hot. So I think I put my shorts down here. So I'm gonna put on some shorts. I'll probably put on some regular jean shorts. It's nice. And see what that lotion does with the oil? It just makes me glisten the night. It's giving very much Florida to a T. I'm gonna just rock with this simple v-neck. Throw that bad boy on, put a bra on, call it a day. So we gonna pair those two together. Usually I put them next to each other for the aesthetic, but I wasn't feeling that right now. I just want to get these clothes on. I already know this is coming. I got a short torso, so I need to put some socks on. I'm getting tired. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I'm already tired. Like, this is a lot. This is a lot. Just a lot. You already know no better time to put on some leopard socks. There we go. Now we got our socks on. That's what we looking like. With the bougie clip. Bougie. I said bougie, it's just a beauty supply clip. But yeah, I got my little outfit on. My little socks. Moisturized legs. You already know, we could have skipped that part. But yeah, we look nice. Probably to do something to my hair real quick and then put some earrings in and we'll call it a day. I just got these Time and True from Walmart. Listen, they were $5. Tell me who's complaining. $5. I just realized I put that spray back and I didn't spray it on me yet. No, I did not spray it on my skin. I'm a craziest mess. Usually I would want to brush my edges and put them in, but honestly, I'm lazy. It's good enough. And I spray my socks, honestly. That spray be everywhere.
I'm gonna wake up, I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.